Are you also on the hunt for that perfect mid-range smartphone that ticks every single box? The one with a camera that takes DSLR level photos, a battery so powerful you don't need to charge it for 3 days, and performance so beastly that every game and app runs without a single lag? If yes, then we have some massive news for you. Nokia is about to shake up the market once again, with its new powerhouse smartphone, and its name is the Nokia Zero Ultra 5G. This spectacular smartphone is rumored to pack a 300 megapixel DSLR level camera, and the most powerful mobile processor out there. Folks, this is not your average phone. This is an absolute powerhouse that could exceed all your expectations. In today's video, we're going to break down every secret feature, the price, and the most crucial detail of all, the launch date. So make sure you stick around until the end, because this information could be a total game changer for you. Let's dive in. Features of the Nokia Zero Ultra 5G. Display. Imagine a massive 6.85-inch Super AMOLED screen that's not only full QHD+ but also boasts an insanely smooth 144Hz refresh rate. We're talking buttery smooth gaming, scrolling, and video playback that's incredibly fluid and sharp. And that's not all, it comes with HDR10+ support, meaning colors are more vibrant than ever. Plus, it's expected to feature an under-display fingerprint sensor, and an IP68 rating, so you don't have to worry about dust or water. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the feature everyone's been waiting for, the camera. The Nokia Zero Ultra 5G is rumored to have a triple camera setup. But its biggest weapon is its monstrous 300 megapixel DSLR level primary camera. You heard that right, 300 megapixels. This means the photos you take will have so much detail, you'll be able to zoom in and in without losing clarity. It's paired with a 50 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and an 8 megapixel macro sensor. And for all you selfie lovers, don't worry, there's also a fantastic 50 megapixel front-facing camera. Performance. So, how powerful is this thing on the inside? Well, it's rumored to be powered by the world-class MediaTek 9500 Pro processor. This chipset is so powerful that even heavy-duty gaming and multitasking will feel like a walk in the park. And on the software side, you're looking at a pure, clean experience with the latest Android 16 right out of the box. Battery backup. Now, this feature is an absolute game changer. This phone is rumored to house a monstrous 7800 mAh battery. That means with moderate use, you could easily get 2 to 3 days on a single charge. And if you do run out of juice, no problem, because it supposedly supports 100-watt fast charging. Think about it, just a few minutes of charging gives you hours of power. Price and launch date. Alright, folks, we've arrived at the moment of truth, the price tag. Based on expert leaks and rumors, the Nokia Zero Ultra 5G could be priced around $800. For all these premium features, that could be one incredibly compelling price point. And the launch date. Word on the street is that Nokia could drop this bombshell sometime in the middle of next year. So you won't have to wait too long. What do you think? Could this be the ultimate mid-range king? Let us know in the comments below.